Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode, what can interrupt Do Not Disturb mode, so you can add people, like conversations, calls, messages to these interruptions list. You can add apps, you can add alarms and other interruptions like media sounds, touch sounds and stuff. You can set up a schedule for this mode. You can set default duration of the Do Not Disturb mode, and you can also display options for hidden notifications, like you can hide only sound from notifications, or you can disable visual and sound from notifications. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.